Hello, my dear students. Good evening. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home.
Standard 4th, Chapter 3rd, Memory Unit. So students, what we had learned in previous chapter? Yes, advanced logo. Then turtle. Then the different types of commands and their uses. And draw and do calculations with the logo. So today we are going to learn our third chapter, memory unit. So students, tell me how we can remember everything? Yes, right, because of we have a brain. Similarly, the computer also has a memory which is used to store all the data and instructions. The computer memory refers to devices that are used to store data or programs inside a computer on a temporary or a permanent basis for use. A computer uses its memory to store information. The memory devices are also called storage devices. Computer memory stores data that is accessed by the Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU contains circuits that control and execute these instructions. A computer stores information in the form of 0 and 1. These are called binary digits or bits. A memory unit is defined as a device that stores information for retrieval. A hardware device such as hard disk or floppy disk is used to record and store data, so such devices are known as memory units. Memory units are also known as storage devices. Memory units are classified into two types. First, primary memory, and second, secondary memory. Primary memory. The primary memory is known as the main memory of the computer. It stores program and data which are required by the CPU. It is fixed inside the motherboard and inside the CPU. Primary memory, which is stored data and instructions for processing. It is further classified into two types. First, RAM, and second, ROM. Second, secondary memory. It is a permanent storage memory. It allows to change, print, copy, move or delete data whenever required, like hard disk, compact disc, DVD and pen drive are some storage devices of a computer. So let us learn about the different types of memory. First, RAM. The RAM stands for Random Access Memory. The RAM is like a blackboard on which you can write notes, read them and erase them when done. RAM is working memory. You can store data temporarily in a specified location. and later when it is not required. You can write over, that is, erase it and store another data over it. RAM is also called as volatile memory, as the contents of RAM is lost when the computer is switched off. Second, ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. ROM is a type of permanent memory. In a ROM or read-only memory, as the name suggests, you can only read the contents. It does not allow the user to edit and store data or program. The programs like the translators for high-level programs and operating systems such as Windows are installed into ROM. Only the manufacturer can install these programs into the ROM, and once installed, they cannot be changed. It is like a book which can only be read and not changed or edited. ROM enables the computer not to lose programs and data when it is switched off. It is also known as non-volatile memory. Now, secondary memory or secondary storage devices. The secondary storage is also called auxiliary storage. It is an external memory to the main body of the computer, where programs and data can be stored and used again in the future. It is also known as external storage device. There are many external storage devices available today which are used to store data. First, floppy disk. Second, DVD. Third, hard disk. Fourth, pen drive. And fifth, CD. First, floppy disk. Floppy disk is 3.5-inch floppy disk can be stored of 1.44 MB, which is the approximate of 500 pages of written text on paper. To make use of floppy disk, you need a floppy disk drive installed on the CPU. It is used as a backup for personal data of limited content. It is coated with iron oxide and stores data magnetically, just like a hard disk. Floppy disks were used in past. Now they have been replaced by pen drives. Second, hard disk. Today's computers usually have a hard disk which contains data between 10 to 1000 gigabytes of storage capacity. The hard disks are usually have the capacity to hold more data and information and are faster than other external devices like floppies, pen drives, CDs and DVDs. Third, compact disc. It means CD-ROM. Compact disc, it is also known as CD. It is an optical disc used to store digital data. It was originally developed to store only music exclusively, but nowadays it is also used to store different types of data like movies, animation, presentations, and text data apart from only sound. It is much preferred storage media compared to pen drives and other storage devices as a one-time backup of content. A standard CD of a diameter of 120 mm can hold up to 80 minutes of compressed audio music, 700 MB of data. CD, rewritable version of CD-ROM. It can be re-record and rewrite about 650 MB of data to store CD rewritable media for an unlimited number of times. Next is a digital video disc. It means DVD. A digital video disc looks like a compact disc which reads data at a faster rate than a CD. It mainly stores videos, pictures, music, and data. There are many types of DVDs such as DVD, this stands for Digital Versatile Video Disc. DVD-R stands for DVD Recordable. And last, DVD, it means RW stands for DVD Rewritable. The DVD-ROM has data which can be only read and not written. DVD rewritable can record and erase data multiple times. Next is a pen drive. A pen drive is also known as USB flash drive. Is a portable data storage device. Today, pen drives have replaced the floppy disk and have become the most popular data storage devices among users. Nowadays, pen drives are available with storage capacity ranging from 2 to 8 GB and 32 GB. It can be used to store graphics, heavy documents, photos, music files, and video clips. Pen drives are also known as thumb drive, jump drive, mini USB drive, and pocket drive. A pen drive has to be plugged into a USB port to transfer files, documents, and photos to a PC. Measuring unit of memory. The unit of measurement is different for different products. For example, the unit of measurement for apples and potatoes is kilogram. The unit of measurement for milk and other liquid products is liter. Similarly, even computer has a unit of measurement to calculate the storage capacity of the computer. The memory or storage capacity of a computer is measured in terms of byte, kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Its short form is B. Next, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. Its short form is KB. 1000 24 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. Its short form is MB. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. Its short form is GB. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte. Its short form is TB. For example, a pen drive's storage capacity ranges from 2 GB to 32 GB. So students, everyone have understood this chapter memory unit? So now tell me, how many types of memory did you see in this lesson? Yes, 2. First is a primary and second secondary. Very good. Now tell me the names of primary memory. Yes, first is a RAM and second ROM. Very good. Now tell me the names of secondary memory. Yes, first is a floppy disk, second hard disk, third compact disk, fourth digital video disk, and fifth pen drive. Very good. So I hope everyone have understood this chapter memory unit.
Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.